In this video, we are going to be converting from exponential form to logarithmic functions. Okay, so remember we said if we have a logarithmic function log base b of x is equals to y, this is the same as, okay, b to the power y is equals to x in exponential form. So we're going to be using this formula here to convert all these that we have here into the logarithmic what function. So let's write the formula somewhere here. So if I have log of base bx is equals to y, this here is the same as b to the power y is equals to what? X. Alright, so from there now we can begin converting what we've been given. So the first one, a, is 11 minus 3 is equals to 1 over 1, 3, 3, 1. So this in logarithmic function will be, okay, so let's identify the base, the answer, and what is in the middle. So the base will be 11 here, the answer will be minus 3, and what is in the middle will be 1 divided by 1, 3, 3, 1. So if we change this to a logarithmic function, it will just be log of the base, which is 11, okay, and then what is in the middle will be 1 divided by 1, 3, 3, 1. This should be equals to the answer, which is minus 3. Alright, so let's convert b now. So b, we have 4 to the power 7 is equals to 16384. So this here will be equals to what? Okay, to be equals to log, the base is 4, and then what is in the middle is 16384 is equals to 7. So we have converted that to a logarithmic function. C, we have that 2 divided by 7 to the power minus 3 is equals to 343 divided by 8. Okay, so we see that the 2 over 7 there will be our base, the minus 3 will be our answer, and then the 343 divided by 8 will be what is in the middle. So we're going to say converting this to a logarithmic function will simply be equals to log base 2 over 7, okay, and then we write what is in the middle, which is 343 divided by 8 is equals to the answer, which is minus 3. So if you want, you can actually put these here in brackets like that. Okay, all right, so that's it on A to C. Let's look at D and E. So on D, we have 25 to the power 3 divided by 2 is equals to 125. So if we change this to a log, it will just be log of base 25, and then I have 125 is equals to 3 divided by 2. So we are using this rule here. Alright, let's convert the last one. So the last one there, we have E, okay, we have 27 to the power minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 1 divided by 2, 4, 3. So this here is going to be equals to log base 27, okay, of 1 divided by 243. We can actually put this in brackets, even these ones here. This will be equals to the power there on the 27, which is minus 5 divided by what? 3. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe with to my channel for more videos. And then for those who need extra lessons, please inbox me on the number in the description below. Thank you so much and have a great day.